I'm going to be doing a lesson over data using chocolate M&Ms. First, I would start out by sending home a letter with each student a week before the activity, explaining to their parents what we're going to be doing. So if they don't want their children to have M&Ms, they could send another snack with a variety of colors. Before we begin the activity, I would take a classroom bathroom break so every student could wash their hands. I would also supply rubber gloves in order to keep this activity as clean as possible. I would pass them out their data charts and give them each a baggie with 20 M&Ms, and I would sort them out before in order to save time. First, I would hold up a package of the M&Ms, asking them to guess how many were in the bag. Then I would tell them if they were good and follow my directions so they could eat their M&Ms at the end, but only when I tell them to. Then they can begin to sort their M&Ms by laying the color of the M&M on the column that's the same color. So we have the green ones. And then the orange and red. Each student will have a total of 20 M&Ms, and after they have their M&Ms laying on the correct color, I'll ask them to count them and write the total in the column to the right. So there's 4 blue ones, 5 green, 1 yellow, 3 orange, 3 red, and 4 brown. So when they have that done, I would begin to ask them questions. Which color did you have the most of? And they can look in their lines and see which ones they have the most of, and in this case, green had the most. So they would write green down here. And then which color did they have the least of, which is obviously yellow. I would also ask them if they wanted to compare their data with their other classmates and see who had more blue than red and who had more green than orange. And then after the activity is finished, I'll reward them by letting them eat their M&Ms.